First one is even number. What are even number? All multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and are all even numbers. Or we can say the number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Next numbers are odd numbers. Numbers which are not the multiple of 2. Means when we divide that number by 2, it leaves the remainder 1. So that numbers are known as odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. When we divide 9 by 2, it leaves the remainder 1. So 9 is an odd number. Next one is prime numbers. The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. उस नंबर के सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 ही फैक्टर्स होंगे, एक वो नंबर खुद और एक 1. एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and many more. Next one is composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Numbers having more than 2 factors. जिन नंबर के 2 से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं. Example 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. So 18 is having more than 2 factors. So 18 is a composite number. We can take the example of 25 also. The factors for 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So the factors are 1, 5 and 25. So they are 3 in number. So 25 is a composite number. Some points which we have to remember is 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 जो होता है that is neither a prime number, 1 prime number भी नहीं है, as well it is also not a composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. If anybody asks you which is the smallest prime number, we will say 2. Next point is every prime number except 2 is odd. All prime numbers are odd except 2. 2 is the only even prime number, otherwise rest all prime numbers are odd. To explain the topic, let's take some question from exercise 3.2. Question number 4 is write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. We have to write down all the prime numbers as well as composite numbers which are less than 20. So I have made 2 different columns. One is for prime numbers and the other one is for the composite number. As I told you earlier, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we will leave 1. 2 is a prime number because it is having only 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. All these are the prime numbers, whereas 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18 are composite numbers. Next question is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? We have to tell the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. First of all, we will write all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. But among this, the greatest prime number is 9. Now we will discuss the next type of number, that is twin prime. What are twin primes? 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. Means if we are taking any 2 prime number and their difference comes out to be equals to 2, then that 2 numbers are known as twin prime. Example, 11 and 13 are twin primes because if we subtract 11 from 13, our answer is 2. So it is a twin prime. For this we can take the example also. give 3 pairs of prime number whose difference is 2. Means we have to take such prime numbers whose difference is 2. We can take 5 minus 3, answer is 2. 7 is also a prime number, 5 is also a prime number. When we are subtracting it, our answer is 2. Similarly, 19 minus 17, our answer is 2. So these are the 3 pair, and there are many more also. So these are the 3 pair of numbers whose difference is 2 and they are known as twin prime. Next is co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. If we are taking any two numbers and we write the factors, if the factor only one is the common factor, then that two numbers are known as co-prime number. Let's take an example. Let's take the 5 and 8. Factors for 5 are 1 and 5. And factors for 8, it's 1, 2, 4 and 8. But among 5 and 8, 1 is the common factor in both. So 5 and 8 are co-prime